One thing that you're going to notice when using one of my favorite products here, the Logitech MX Ergo Advanced Wireless Mouse from the Logitech company, is that if you use this product a lot, like I do, I take it everywhere I go. I like to use my own tools, and this is one that goes everywhere with me because you can program it to two different devices. It feels good on your hands, and let's face it, if you're going to be editing for hours, like I do sometimes with photography and video, you want something that's not going to take such a toll on your joints, on your wrists, on your hand, and it's kind of fun to use too. But one thing that you notice when you use this product is that sometimes you feel like the wheel is stuck and you're not going crazy. It's because it's dirty on the inside. The mechanism on inside is dirty. And right under this ball, because the way this works, you place your hand on top of here, but all the oils from your fingers, let's say you were fixing your car, you didn't wash your hands, or you just finished eating some Thanksgiving dinner and now you're using the mouse, or you lend this to your child, or you let a coworker or somebody use it, which you shouldn't. These are personal tools. It might get dirty. It might be just, it just got dirty from being in a dusty place. So one thing you are going to do is open it up and clean it. And it's easier than you might think. Now this is something I've been doing for years because I've had the original from the 90s, the one that was wired. It had the red ball over here. This is another generation here. So you just remove this, the back part, and you're going to see this, the magnetic part going to come out right there, and on the bottom you're going to see a hole that is exposing the mouse. Now for this next step, you can use a pencil or pen or whatever can push forward, and you're just going to jam it from the back. For this I use my tactical pen, and I just push the ball out, and right there, and here's the ball being taken out. They change it from red to gray, and inside it's not that dirty, but it's not as clean as it can be. And what you're going to do is just swipe at it. You can use your finger or you can use a towel, but let's say you don't have any towel available, you're just going to run your finger through there, and as you see, a lot of dust, a lot of lint, because remember this also has a hole in the bottom, so a lot of things could sneak in through there. And one thing you're going to notice is that after these pieces come out, if anything comes out, right here on my nice table, you're going to notice that when you put the ball back in, it's a lot faster and a lot smoother. And that's because you just cleaned it. And as I was cleaning it, you can see the dust come out. If you don't believe me, here are the pieces of dust that attach to each one right there, each side of this mouse. Let me show you again. Here's a pen. You're going to push the ball out from one side, and you're going to hear a gentle snap, and right there you're going to clean all that area. And you're going to think, wow, I never had to go to the store to get a replacement or pay $80 for another mouse or $69 for a renewed one because of the products coming so slow nowadays and everything being up in price. There it is. You can take it out and you can put this back in, and there's also all the way at the end there's a little glass, a little sensor. You can clean that too. You can use a towel, you can use whatever you want. It could be a little bit moist. You can use paper towel from the bathroom, one of those Q-tips you can use also. You can use a blower, but the blower is not going to get all of the edges in there. So I recommend either use a Q-tip, a towel, or your finger. There it is. That's how you clean the Logitech MX Ergo mouse sold online. Thank you. If you have any questions as to how to do this or remove the mouse or how to put it back together, it all lines up, or other issues you're having with this mouse, which I think is one of the best mice ever made, but you might have your own favorite. What do you take everywhere you go? Do you have a product that you can't leave home without? Mine are this mouse over here and this keyboard that I reviewed a few weeks back. So there it is. Now you have a clean, functional mouse, ergonomic mouse. Thank you. And also, if you need photographic services, feel free to contact me via Instagram, via website, or message me directly on my message section on this video. Thank you. That's Gilbert King Elisa Photography, one of the best photography companies you're ever going to see. Thank you. Bye-bye.